What up, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? What's up? What's up? What's good? What's cracking? Welcome to my channel. What's cracking? I'm going somewhere overseas for 2.5 months. Is it 2.5 months or is it 2 months? 2.5, 77 days, however you want to put it. Comment where you think I'm going below. Today, we are packing. We're going to start with the baby suitcase, and we're going to start with the big daddy suitcase. I felt like looking like A$AP Rocky today, so I threw this on with these little glasses because it's getting real bright out here. It's supposed to be winter, November in New York. Terrible, but today it's like 72. I wonder why, maybe because of the election result. Let's not go into that, no politics. In the baby suitcase, I got my essentials, what I need. I need to wash my butt, wake up in the morning, wash my booty. So I got my brushes, I got my soaps, I got my shampoos, and I got my snacks. I got my shower shoes and everything else. So we're gonna check it out. I'm gonna take you step by step. We're gonna pack this baby suitcase up, and then we're going to the big daddy suitcase. So we're gonna start off with the shower essentials. First, we're gonna start off with these beauties right here. Now I had some other shower shoes. They smell bad. So I found these gems at Walmart for $9. Y'all out here buying Crocs for $100, $50. $9. Boom. And you know we need soap. So I like bar soap. I always use Dial, Gold Time. It's real nice. But I also use this Arm & Hammer stuff, which I got from the Dollar Tree. And my skin is really sensitive, so I can't be out here just using anything. And I always slide them in the shoes, because that's extra room. You want to make as much space as possible. I slide the soaps in there too. What you mean? Bam. I don't know about y'all, but my armpits get funny. So I need deodorant. So I come with 3 different deodorants. Hold up, where's my other deodorant at? But I always use Arm & Hammer, and that's because it has no aluminum in it, because it's really bad for your body. So this works for me. It might not work for you. My Jumu essentials, you already know I need hair products. But I usually get those for my girlfriend. But since I have my own line with my girlfriend, here we go, I need these. If my hair grows, I need something to pick it out. If it itches, I need something to scratch it. So I'm gonna throw these down here, because I don't want to mix these up with everything else, because these are special to me. And then you know I need a do-rag over there, and I'm also going to throw my Sporting Waves over there, just in case I need something to lay my hair down. If you don't know what this is, you need to figure out what it is. And by the way, this little outfit I'm wearing right here is from 1DNA. They are a neutral gender brand. I would check them out. They're black owned and queer owned. Shout out to them for the outfit. I worked with them when I had a modeling gig, and they're great people, so check out their website. So then I also have these. I need some Q-tips. My ears always get waxed, and I know yours do too, so don't lie. Here we have some Aussie shampoo and conditioner, which I usually steal from my girlfriend, but I got these on my own. I have eczema in my scalp, so you know what that means during winter time. For all my eczema people out there, good luck this winter. Right here, got all the essentials. I got, what is this? Cotton balls, cotton swabs. I need it for my face. I got my allergy medicine. Achoo! Wherever I'm going, achoo! Wherever I'm going, I need my allergy medicine. I got this Cover FX makeup in case I need to cover my face up. I'm a model, so sometimes I gotta cover my stuff up. And they don't always have my shade. You know I'm black and brown. I got my Vaseline in there. Gotta keep myself warm during the winter, fool. I put it on my face sometimes. Toothpaste, mouthwash, toothbrush. I got my plackers. I gotta floss and get these pearly whites clean. This right here is so essential. I got 3 hand sanitizers, babies, so you can carry them with you wherever you go. And I also got Carmex, Blistex, and the Vaseline brand stuff for your lips. I got 3, because I always lose 2 during the winter, so I need 1. You see that 3 minus 2 equals 1. Got a loofah in case I need to scrub in places you don't want to know about. Obviously, I got a towel. I might get another towel while I'm there. I won't just have one the whole time, but I don't want to overpack. I always want to leave room in my bag in case I get something while I'm there. Lastly, I always use these small bottles and I put certain stuff in it. So this is gonna be my face wash. I got some witch hazel in a bottle. Also got some lotion. I got my vitamin E. I got makeup wipes, all that. I always get one of these wherever I go because I like to sleep with darkness, and whenever I see light, I'll instantly wake up. So I always keep that. Now whenever you're traveling overseas, you always need to bring medicine. Because when you get to a different place, you don't know how their pharmacies work. And I know for where I'm going, you can't get all this. You can't get Advil, daytime, blah, 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 Vicks, none of that. So I'm bringing it with me, and it's coming heavy. Masks, obviously I have these 2 main masks, but I'm also bringing like 5 in my carry-on. Coronavirus. Coronavirus. Boom. The temperature is low. You need to keep these on you nowadays. Luckily I have one. I got snacks. I'm a Pop-Tart connoisseur. I don't know about y'all, but I love Pop-Tarts. And these are kind of bent up. And the only Pop-Tart that's really good is s'mores and brown sugar. These are all brown sugar. If y'all like anything else, be good. Cliff bars here. I stole these from my girlfriend. I stole these from my mom because I did not want to buy one. I like to have books wherever I go, so there's only 2 in here, and I'm also bringing like 5 in my carry-on. So I got Rise and Grind by Damon John, which I haven't read yet. I need to get into it. I'm excited for it. And I got Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. Shout out to Khaled for recommending this book. A practical guide for improving communication and getting what you want in your relationships. So I need this. I need this right here. I have a little file thing for all my important documents because I also am a college student, so I need to, obviously be up to date with everything. And I know the rest of y'all little hoo-has keep everything on your computer. But I like to have things in hard copy. My camera, I'm in a film class, so I'm gonna have to film when I'm over there. Headphones, I have 2 pairs of headphones, Apple ones and these are the big boys. You need the big boys. And here, this right here is special to me. My parents got it for me. Oh, dang, they didn't take a picture. Anyways, my parents got it for me for my birthday, and I have a bunch of film with me, and I have a bunch of pictures with me that I like to document my life. And this bad boy right here, this is a waist trainer. I gotta keep my waist tight, like the Kardashians. Bring this with me everywhere I go, especially when I'm doing abs workouts. Lastly, I have this. I keep all my cords in here, and I also keep the camera that's being used right now in here. And that's everything that goes in this bag. It's obviously gonna go with me, but simple, right? But ow. I need your butt. Some of y'all need your butt. Well, let me try it.
It's real weird. I don't know what to go on there.
So, the Big Daddy bag is obviously just for clothes, shoes, jackets, etc., etc., etc. First, we're gonna start off with my underwear. I always fold them up like this and make them flat as possible, and I just slide them in there. Just slide them right in there. Boom. Organization is key. Very big part of my life. Obviously, I just have my socks like this and just throw them in there. Very simple. Next, I start off with my pants, and I always put my pants down first because they're flat, which gives me a lot more room. So remember that when packing, put your pants down first. It works for me, and I'm a bigger person, so it should work for you. Just take them, put them down one by one. Boom, boom. It's like building the foundation of a house. You always need a foundation before you can build the roof. You know what I mean? Just put them like that all around. So it's just like I'm building another layer of the suitcase. Now I have shirts. I always roll my shirts like this. It gives you max amount of room. So I go like this and just layer it up, just like I'm building another layer of a house. And I already have all of them rolled up, so I can just slide them right there. If you have any more tips on how to pack, leave them in the comments. Because I'm not the ultimate packer. I'm not Mr. Packer Guide. I don't travel everywhere. Roll it up, throw it in. I have my hoodies. I'm only bringing one hoodie because I'm going to get some hoodies there. I'm going to wear my jacket on the plane. Save me a lot of room. Throw that right in that corner. Boom. Just another layer. I'm only bringing 3 shoes. I'm bringing 2 pairs of Converse, 1 pair of boots, and then I'm wearing a pair of boots there because those are my biggest shoes. Whatever your biggest, thickest shoes are, I recommend you to wear those wherever you're going. I throw them in there like this. These are really flat. They're Converse. That's what I love about Converse. Now these ones are like a limited edition Converse, so I'm not gonna ruin these. And I actually pack them nicely like that. See, like that. And my boots, I'm gonna throw right here in this corner. You always wanna pack them like that, just like they come in a box. And look at all this room I have. So lastly, I'm gonna add my suit stuff. So my nice dress pants, boom. Shirt should be folded up better, but it's cool. I iron it when I get there. Yeah, I used to work retail at Old Navy. I wasn't the best of the folders, but just throw that on top. Get my left thing on top. Throw this, and Naomi Campbell. You're gonna meet one day, girl. Throw her right on top. Boom. And that's all I have for this Big Daddy suitcase. Now, why am I leaving a lot of room for me to pack when I come back? Because I'm gonna buy shirts when I'm there. I'm gonna probably buy other stuff, bring souvenirs home to my people. I'm gonna buy a handbag, I guess, because my girlfriend wants me to get one for her. It damn sure ain't gonna be no Birkin bag. My mom wanted an MCM bag. Probably not gonna get that. But yeah, this is that. Now we only have one more bag to go, and that's my carry-on. That's gonna be real life. We're at the end of the race. We gotta keep going. Carry-on bag. Let's go. So my carry-on bag is kind of heavy, but not really. I'm gonna start off with my computer. You need a computer wherever you go, especially if you're doing business. Computer charger, duh. Throw that at the bottom of the bag. I got 4 books here that need to be put in here. I have a folder with important documents. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Then I'm gonna keep my shavers on me, just in case. You never know, in case I gotta shave. I keep a few extra masks on me. Shout out to 1DNA, shout out to Contagious. Then I have mints. I have these mouth things because my breath can't be stinking even though I have a mask. Then I got my charger because I'm going out of the country to a different place. They have different outlets, so I have this. And then I have a portable charger that I keep on me. I don't know about y'all, I'm blind as a bat, so I'm coming in with 2 pairs of glasses. It don't matter. If I break one, I got another. If I break this one, I got this one. Then I'll have 2 of my phones on me, and that's it. This is all I need. These 3 bags right here. Very simple, very easy. What do I say next? I don't do YouTube. Thanks for packing with me and stay up to date on my journey because I'm going to be posting while I'm over there.